before we started?
Like 6:45-ish.
Simply plain, baby, I like your style, baby. Let me take you out, lady. Say yes, it's the hunting season. She is my wake-up reason. Throw the keys and leave them. Say yes, wrap my arms.
Dude, I said that about 45 minutes ago. Because they shipped them out my food bag, add more to that resupply list out there.
Good morning. I am at a hostel, and I forgot the name of it actually. However, it is in a big collapsed limestone mountain basin, and it's just beautiful. It's a little farmhouse. You don't stay in the farmhouse yet, but right now you stay in the barn, and it's pretty cool. I think you saw some pictures from before of the inside. It's set up pretty nice. They're doing a great job and having fun doing it. They want to build an outfitter in this barn space right here, which is pretty big. You can see they're surrounded. It's in the valley almost. Oh, here she comes. She's back now. And she's the one who owns it. Her name is Cantaloupe. And we see how the clouds come into the valley, and that how she wants to make a big outfitter out of this barn, which is pretty cool.
My dad's and sees me coming, drops her this big ass duck right in front of me. So I get out and I move the duck to the side. She's already killed it, I couldn't help it. It was a beautiful wood duck too. And went out to the end of the street and turned around to watch. She was so fast paced. She came running back out of those woods as soon as she thought I was gone, grabbed that duck, and it was like a flash. I called my dad and I said, "Are you down a duck?" And he goes, "What?" And I said, "Fox just got one." He goes, "That's just nature."
Yep.
Donate to.
That's so cool.
Shit, my family
When I was young, I grew up spending my summers in a motorhome, so I'm a big. First we had an old Sears canvas tent, and then we upgraded to a Winnebago, a little teeny thing, family of 4, and then my parents went in with 2 other couples and bought about a 30-foot motorhome for 3, which turned out not to be good because the other people wouldn't clean it the way we expected it to be cleaned, or they'd break something and give it back, and it sucks owning something like that with someone else. But what my dad's literally right up here.
Wow. And you're down over there?
All the way, yep.
Yeah.
And my house is this way. So after you hit the blue blaze or take. Looks like Chloe's cake.
Yeah, standing right here looking at that view up is phenomenal. I want that view.
Neato. That's cool.
There's a little caterpillar on this one. You went right over top of when you...
inchworm. Little cutie pie. Fungus among us. Pretty. What's up, dude? What you doing? You just chilling on the trail? I think we're gonna have to scoot your butt out of the way, huh? So you don't get stepped on? What do you think? Oh, you're going. You're going all by yourself? Okay, you want to go that way? Okay, sounds good. Go ahead. Go ahead. You can do it. Going? What? She ditched ya? Roads, falls. The only thing we need now is a campsite. Nope.